I am honored to welcome all our authors, poets, writers, artists, delegates and speakers, and participants, our friends from media, to this festival. We are very excited about this festival, and I'm sure all of you are too. Before I invite our chief guests and the delegates to the dais, we would like to pay tribute to the Goa's renowned and international artist, Sri Mario Miranda, who passed away on last Sunday. Mario Miranda was also the life trustee of the International Center Goa. May I request you all to kindly stand in silence for a minute in memory of Sri Mario Miranda.
Shri Gulzar Saab, renowned lyricist, author, poet and Sahitya Akademi Awardee. Shri Amitabh Ghosh, internationally acclaimed author and Sahitya Akademi Awardee. Mr. K.S. Rao of Sahitya Akademi, Shri Damodar Mauzo, Vivek, and dear friends, media, and all of you present here. A very, very good evening to all of you. On behalf of the International Center Goa, to our much anticipated second edition of the annual Goa Arts and Literary Festival. Well, finally the day has arrived. Despite all the ups and downs, the hiccups, the planned and unplanned situations, our team consisting of Shri Damodar Mauzo, Vivek Menezes, my program managers Arjun, Venecia, and me have been working overtime towards this day from April this year, and we still feel that the work is in progress. Our basic aim was to bring together all art and literature lovers on one platform. We wanted to showcase a different Goa to the world, a Goa which, despite its touristy sun and sand label, is also a thinking and reading Goa. A Goa where people love to read and discuss in Konkani, Marathi, Hindi, English, Kannada, Portuguese. A quiet and serene Goa to which writers retreat to write their bestsellers and artists to paint their masterpieces. A Goa which is an ocean of art, poetry, and literature. To us, this festival is a labor of love, done on a shoestring budget and not a commercial venture. And our endeavor would be to keep this to keep the spirit alive year after year. I think this intention did get conveyed to our very special guests here today, Shri Gulzar Sahab and Amitabh Ghosh, who agreed to be here with us on this historic day. I do not have words enough to thank them for being here with us. All I can say is that just the fact that they are here means this festival has their blessings and hence a bright future. Thank you so much for being here. Well, the festival holds special significance this year. On December 19th, 2011, Goa will celebrate its Golden Jubilee, 50 years of liberation. In keeping with the importance of this anniversary, the 2011 events will be much bigger and better than the first edition, with a consistent emphasis on creative excellence from across the subcontinent and around the world, with a special focus on Goa and its diaspora and Northeast India. It will feature award-winning writers and authors, artists in readings in several languages and exclusive releases of important new books. It's easy to put up a festival of this kind on a grand scale, and I must thank all our sponsors once again for their immense cooperation. And last but not least, a big thank you to all of you for coming here despite your busy schedules and the hiccups that you had during getting your visa, your tickets, or whatever. Thank you very, very much for being here with us. Thank you, and we hope this festival goes off in a wonderful way. Thank you very much. Thank you.
तुमच्या मुखार कोंकणीतल्यान चार उतरां उलयतना म्हाका मनाक सावन खूब खोस पडटा. Language of the soil has always a special appeal, not only to the sons of the soil, but also to the visitors to the region. And in this view, I decided to address you in my language, Konkani, and I hope and I am sure you will appreciate it. गोंय म्हळ्यार कलेचे कुळार. हांगा साबार कला वयर सरल्यात आनी आमच्या गोंयकारांनी तर गोंयकार कलाकारांनी व्हडलें योगदान वेगवेगळ्या कलेच्या मळाचेर दिल्लें आसा. आमच्या अनेक मोलादीक रत्न आमच्या गोंयान फकत गोंयाक आनी भारताक न्ही तर संवसाराक दिल्ले आसात. As Goa has contributed to multiple disciplines, I think it is in right spirit to hold this festival as art and literary festival. We could have held it as just literary festival, but no. In view of the multiple disciplines that we have contributed to, we have decided to hold it as art and literary festival, where artists and writers will come together and have an interaction which will benefit to the mutual fields. It is said that India is a singular country with plural expression, and we are here to celebrate this plurality. And this is precisely why we all belonging to different arts, different fields have gathered here. Friends, beginning from 17, that is today, the next week is a week of celebrations, a week of festivals, and a week of various functions all over Goa. I'm very happy that the celebrations are decentralized. They are being held at the panchayat level, at the municipal level, at the school levels, and college levels. So it's a good sign. That keeps the crowd away from us. Doesn't matter.
Friends, I am grateful to the organizers for giving me this honor to inaugurate the festival. Though I should have been, I asked Damodar Mauzo that there's some misprint in the card. It should have been Assistant Chief Director to Assistant Chief Guest to Amitabh. But well, it didn't work. So I'm here in front of you to, though there are senior and better and greater writers than me present here, but घर के छोटों को भी कुछ काम तो करना ही चाहिए. If you allow me to speak in हिंदुस्तानी. हाँ, ताकि मैं हिंदुस्तानी में अगर बोल सकूं तो मैं I'll be a little at ease and mix it up in English. हाँ, पर ख़ास तौर पर जिस तरह दामोदर जी ने बात की, दामोदर मौजू, तो कोंकणी में बोल के, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ कोंकणी के सिलसिले में कई बार आया हूँ गोवा, और कोंकणी ज़बान की कॉन्फ्रेंस पर भी और मीटिंग्स पर भी कई बार आया हूँ, और ख़ास तौर पर उनकी राइटिंग्स में अंग्रेज़ी में भी पढ़ता रहा हूँ और कोंकणी नहीं जानता, लेकिन वो मराठी के फ्लेवर की वजह से सुनता हूँ, जो महाराष्ट्र में रहते हुए 50 साल में कहीं ना कहीं मेरे कानों में उसका रस है, तो वो सुनता हूँ तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और महसूस होता है कि आपको अपने इलाकाई ज़बान भी, उसका भी, उसकी परवरिश, उन पौधों का भी उनकी परवरिश करना वो बहुत ज़रूरी है, और बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि वो उनको उसी तरह से ध्यान में रखा जाए.